JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages available online. I've designed this course to show you some really amazing things that you can do with JavaScript. My name is Lawrence and I've been a web developer for over 15 years. I use JavaScript on a regular basis, and I'm going to be walking you through how to use JavaScript in a real-world project. So I'm going to be going over some of the basic methods that we're going to be using later on within this project and walking you through how to apply these methods within JavaScript. And then at the end of the course, we're going to show you how to build out a fully functional calculator just like this one. So all of the source code and files are going to be included, as well as resources that I'm going to be using throughout the course in order to get you going quickly. I'm also going to be sharing the code and explaining what the code's going to be doing and how to use the code in order to create a project just like the calculator, demonstrating all of the source files and how they're going to work and create this JavaScript project. Some of the really interesting parts of this course, I'm going to be showing you how to access the DOM and interact with DOM content, pull that back out into your JavaScript and use that in order to create fully functional JavaScript. We're going to be showing you how to add event listeners to classes, also going over basic CSS and some styling by using Bootstrap, and then some basic HTML layout and setup. Adding event listeners and selecting elements within JavaScript allows you to bring that HTML content into your JavaScript and work with it, creating interactive content for your users to interact with, and then also outputting results to those users using JavaScript. So all of this really cool stuff can be done within JavaScript, and I'm going to be showing you how within this course. So when you're ready, let's get started creating some JavaScript code and creating a JavaScript calculator.